Awesome. So we're back on my iPhone over here, and I'm going to show you how you can get the verified badge. So this is obviously Annalise's account, and you can see she's got the verified badge because it's got the blue tick at the very top next to her name up there. It says Annalise, and then the blue check marks. Now, to get this for our own accounts, we simply need to come over to our account. So click on your account, come up to the three lines on the top right up there, which is going to pull across the menu. Now on Android, it's going to be slightly different, but you can just open this side menu with whatever button that looks like on Android. Come down to settings, come down to account, and then all the way down in the menu, the second last black menu option is request verification. So we click on that, and you can see it says apply for Instagram verification. A verified badge is a check that appears next to an Instagram's account name to indicate the account is authentic presence, or a notable public figure, a celebrity, a global brand, or entity it represents. So a global brand or global entity, that is. Submitting a request for verification does not guarantee that you're going to be verified, but you're not going to be verified if you don't submit one. So if you believe you are one of those above, or if you believe you've got the right things in place to have Instagram make Instagram think that you're one of the things above, simply type in your username, your full name, and then you're known as. So if you are a stage actor and you're known as Cher and not actually whatever Cher's real name is, type that in there. You have to upload a photo ID of you, a face with your face and your full name. Or if you're a business, you can upload official business documents. Now remember, it is much easier to get verified as a business than a personal account, but they're both, if you deserve it, and Instagram's going to tell you why you deserve it or not. So you might as well come and try it. And if Instagram reject you, they'll tell you exactly why they have said that you don't deserve or don't fit the requirements of the verification badge just yet. And you can work on that reason and then come back and get that verification tick, because it's going to skyrocket your conversion rate and really just boost a lot of things on Instagram that you're working towards. Your growth is going to get boosted, your conversion is going to get boosted, your sales are going to get boosted, your social rep on this actual platform is just going to be skyrocketed with that blue check mark. Plus, it feels pretty cool to have it. This is how you get it. This is where you come to get it. Just fill out that verification form, and Instagram will get back to you within about 48 hours.